wonderful, and beautiful. Look at my hair, my lips, my red velvet cheeks, and a pair of blazing eyes. I remember someone told me that I looked like my mother, but that was when she was young. Now, I'm much lovelier than this. I'm a mortal woman. Wait, what time is it? I must get ready for the party. Beep, beep. Oh, here they are. Yes, I'm coming. Child, are you still there? That's my mama. Child, are you still there? Could you please get me a glass of water? Mama, I'm ready. Child, are you still there? Mama, why are you trying to get it on your own? At the party, I dance and dance the whole night. You see, I can't just leave the party at once. I dance with everyone who proposed to me. At last, the party's over. I'm really tired. Very, very tired. So, I went home to tell my mother what happened. Mama, I'm home. It's very quiet. Mama, I'm home. No one answered. I looked for her everywhere. Mama? Mama? Mama?